In the life as a girl with an e-bike in Chicago. Now, I am absolutely not a morning person, so the fact that I can sleep in a little more since my commute is faster with my e-bike is huge, and I go in every day. Setting spray is a must for the makeup helmet combo, but I'm just gonna let my hair dry in that sweet e-bike breeze. My apartment does have a bike room, but the nice thing about the Swift Lite 3ST is it's light enough to bring into your apartment. If you're getting an e-bike soon, make sure you get an extra wide U-lock to easily secure it. They're pretty heavy, so I love that I can store mine on the cargo rack. Time to go to work. Biking to work is common in Chicago, so thankfully there's a good amount of bike lanes. Here you can see not one, not two, but 3 cars run a red light, which is why you should always look both ways. And then, oh my gosh, how lovely, a huge whiff of the garbage truck. Yeah, I was happy to pass them as soon as I could. Before I had an e-bike, I would get so disgustingly sweaty on the trains and on my walk, but now I can just crank that pedal assist up when I feel like it and fly. For those of you worried about helmet hair, I promise a good fluff and flip will get you back to where you need to be. Trust me, I do it every day. I had to run some samples to FedEx today, which I would usually deliver from my e-bike, but this shipment included a huge ottoman, so we were walking there today. Naturally, I rewarded myself with Starbucks, and that 3 p.m. slump hit pretty soon after, so I absolutely chugged it. I find the ride home to be so therapeutic. You're passing all these cars stuck in traffic, and there's rarely a traffic jam in the bike lane. There's an absolutely awful hill that I have to use to go to the grocery store, and oh my god, it is a breeze with this thing. I got my snacks, secured them on the cargo rack, and finished my ride home. I had dinner later that night, so of course I used my e-bike. It's usually faster than an Uber anyways, and I'm saving money. I ended my night with a relaxing trip to the lakefront before I headed home, charged my battery for the next day, and got some rest. Thanks for joining.